Now let's understand what is JSON. The full form of JSON is JavaScript Object Notation. When we create a JSON file, the extension will be .json. These are the properties of JSON. It is a text-based, lightweight compared to other messages like XML. Structure is easy to understand. When you write a JSON message, no need of any extra documentation needed to understand the message. Language independent. It can be used in many different languages. How to represent JSON? It is represented as name and value pairs. Name is always enclosed in double quotes. Value can be any of the data type mentioned here. The string, date, number, boolean, object and array. We will see in the example. Here is the sample JSON. It starts with the curly brace. Then we can find the name and value pairs. You can observe here, names are always enclosed in the double quotes. Values are not. We can find the different kinds of values. Their data type is different. Here for the name it's string, department string, company string, then year of joining it's number 2020. Then for the certifications, the value is represented in array. In JSON, it is represented in the square brackets. These are the values present in this array. Then there is the address and value of this is represented in object. And this object you can see it's again name value pairs, contents of this. Then we have the other field that is married, that's value is boolean true. And also you can observe all the fields are separated by comma here. And also of the array there is a comma. After the object representation there is a comma. So at the end we should not give comma here for the last field. What is JSON nested objects? Objects contains other objects inside that. In this example you can see customer object. It contains other object office underscore address. And office underscore address having its own values here. Same way house underscore address is inside the customer object, and this also one of the object here. You can observe here this office underscore address and house underscore address having the same names here, building number, street and city. But these will not conflict with the other like office address and house address, because we are representing these fields by the nested field path. What is nested field path? You have to represent building number with customer dot house underscore address dot building number, and this building number will be customer dot office underscore address dot building number. Same way for street and city. That's why these fields are different than these fields. This is the sample JSON message. Now we will save this message as the JSON file. Now I'll save it in this folder, downloads folder. I will name this as first1.json. The extension will be JSON here. Save it. Now you can see it's saved as a JSON. The JSON format also you can see it here. Now if I go to downloads folder, this is the one. The file is saved with .json extension. In this lecture, we have learned overview about JSON message.